people, Docs gang, the producer community. How are we doing today? What's that? We're good? I like it. That's what I like to hear. Guys, today we are back for yet another video in a row. Your boy is getting on this consistency vibe and it's feeling good, all right? So today we're gonna be doing a grime beat, okay? I've done this one before and for whatever reason, people like the video. It's getting a lot of recognition. I don't know why. It's honestly out of nowhere, but you know what? Whatever, we'll do it again. It seems like people wanna see it, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, so you know what? I'm just gonna look up a loop on Looperman. Probably, yeah, just use one of those loops and then make my grime beat accordingly. So if you haven't done so already, first of all, make sure you join my Discord because I do live streams, beat critiques, rate my subscribers' beats, sampling videos, all that stuff I'm gonna be doing on my Discord. So make sure you guys join my Discord, the link's in the description. There is no excuse for you not to be in the Discord. If you're part of Docs Gang, you should be in the Discord, all right? We got, I think, what, 80 something members now and it's growing, okay? It's popping, all right? Send me your beats, let me listen to it. All right, so yeah, join the Discord. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. And I really need you to subscribe because I know you're not. I know you watching, yes, you. I know, I see you. I know you're not subscribed. Why are you not? Just press the button. It's free, and I like legit. I know you like this video. I know you like my videos. So just hit it. Just click the subscribe button. What is so hard about that? But yeah, let's get into this video, man. I'm ready to go. Ready to make some beats. Man, it is hot in here. And I haven't even started. I haven't even started and it's piping hot. That must mean something. All right, let's hop on my go-to, my domain. That is Looperman. All right, we are back. We are now on Looperman. We're ready to look for some of these loops. Okay, I'm ready to look for some loops. I'm trying to, yeah, we're trying to make some eggs. Okay, so let's see, just check this one out. Download! Bam! Oh my god, it's about to download 1,000 of them now. That was just once. Oh my god. And yeah, come on, let's start facing Jesus Christ. Alright, we're back in FL Studio. And I got some patterns right here. So I'm just gonna go through these, see which one I like the best. And I'm just gonna choose one and I'm gonna start putting them damn drums down. So let's do that. All right, this is a cool loop. I like this loop. Let's play around the pitch a little bit. I forget what BPM. I think it's 130. 130. Oh, this is supposed to be 136. All right, whatever. Okay, so I know the UK drill beats. They always start with the crash. So let's get a nice crash. Let's see if I can find a nice crash.
3 weeks later.
All right, step one done. Find yourself a nice crash. Okay, cool. And let's just get a kick with it, just cause you know I'm gonna eventually use the kick. So instead of looking for it later, let's just put it there now. This is decent kick pattern. Now, actually, let's look for some. Now, okay, let's be real. Let's do the 808. I know they have like very. They don't use the spins, but I forget. I know where, like, what the 808 sounds like, but I just forget what it's called. But I'm just gonna use what they use. So, all right, cool. Got a nice kick pattern. I did a little something. So actually now I'm gonna do the real 808s. But before we get into the laying down of the notes, we gotta configure this 808 real quick. So I noticed in grime beats, there's a lot of sliding. and not grime, UK drill. Sorry, UK drill beats. There's a lot of sliding. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, we're just gonna turn it on by doing these two and then turning up the slide. And I also gotta fix this little envelope thingy. So this little thing just shows how each note is gonna be played. Like right here is like the attack, and then how long the note is being held, and then this is just the decay. All we're doing is just making this like a regular square-ish shape. So we're just gonna turn everything down except the hold. And so all this does is just makes it so that every time I hold down a key, the note is just gonna play for the exact amount of time I hold down that key. So for example, if I go like this, I let go. As soon as I let go of the keyboard, the sound goes away. But if I turn off that envelope and it made it default, it would ring out like how it did before. So let's just keep this on. And I don't think this is the correct 808 actually. I feel like I can use another one. Alright, we got our 808 pattern down, and I'm glad we're finally done with that, just because I got this snare pattern that I kind of want to try out and see if I can, actually, yeah, I'm going to try it out. I just need to know I forget what the name of the snare is again, damn it. Oh, you got it right here. Alright, perfect. Alright, snare pattern, crisp. Alright, now, hi-hats, okay? Hi-hats, very, very, very important. So I'm gonna get this, Alright, now let's get this lead snare now. I need to get a lead snare. So let's get this lead snare. Where is it? Guys, I think we are just about ready to export this bad boy. Okay? I know I wasn't talking a lot, but yeah, man, this beat is coming along very nicely. Yeah, I'm changing the title to UK drill. That's what it is. It's not grime, whatever, because I know you guys in the comments are gonna be like, oh, it's actually UK drill, not grime, and all that. So I'm gonna just lay it out now. It is what it is, man. It's pretty dope. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. So yeah, let's fix this pattern up real quick. Let's do this thing. So I'm just gonna start off with the 808s coming in first. I know that, I don't know, it just sounds familiar. Obviously, I'm gonna have the, what's it called? The crash also as well. But hold on. Okay, so first of all, we're just gonna have to have the 808s come in. Alright, and you know what? I guess I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm gonna just leave it at that. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I am gonna see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to join my Discord, and peace.